Hey everyone, Tanner here with Skope. Taking a minute today to show you guys the basics of Skope. It's a two-piece kit and how that works. So with the Skope, you will need two pieces. You need the Skope case. This is what centers your phone's camera inside of our adapter plate. And you'll also need the Skope optic adapter. Those two pieces will align your camera through your optics, allowing you to take pictures and video through them. With the two pieces, you can go one of two ways. You can leave the optic adapter attached to the spotting scope and then attaching it like so. Or with it being a friction-based fit, just pop that optic adapter off and then just slide it onto your eyepiece. So one of two ways you can attach to the scope. At that point, you go into your phone's camera app and center your shot, focus, zoom, and take it from there. It's that simple. So quick recap, you got your Skope case, this is a must, and this is a must, the Skope optic adapter. Those two attach together and then you slide it over your optics eyepiece, whether that's a spotting scope, binocular, microscope, telescope, anything that you might have, I'm sure we can find an adapter for it. If you have questions, guys, drop us a line, support@phonescope.com. You're welcome to give us a call as well, 800-790-4480. Appreciate the time. Have a great day.